Hi there, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I have a problem on Gauss-Seidel for us to solve. It says find an approximation to the solution of ax equals b by performing two iterations of the Gauss-Seidel method, where a is this, b is that, and our initial guess is this. Okay, so if this is the first time you have been on this channel, kindly subscribe to support and please watch this video to the end. Okay, so let's see how you're solving this problem here. So our A is equal to this and our B is this and our initial guess. So I always say for you to start Gauss-Seidel method, the first thing to do is to write it in an equation form. So 4x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 1. But I don't want to confuse you. Let me show you how I got this. So you simply write your A, which is 4, 2, 1, 1, right? Multiply by what? The unknowns, x1, x2, right? Is equal to 1, 1. Sorry, it's equal to 1, 2, your B. So this is actually the system. So you write your 4x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 1. You have x1 plus x2 is equal to 2. The next thing to do is you have to make x the subject and you have to make x1 the subject and here x2 the subject. Okay, so you have x1 is equal to 1 minus 2x2. If you are making this a subject, you send this one at the other side, right? So you have 1 minus 2x2 over what? 4, right? Then you have x2 here to be equal to 2 minus x1. So for Gauss-Seidel, to first take, you write your first iteration. So first iteration, you have x1 to be equal to 1 minus 2 times the initial guess. I have what? 1, 1, right? So I'll put 1 here all over what? 4. So this is giving me 1 minus 2, which is negative 1 on 4, right? Negative 1 on 4. Then what about x2? x2 equals 2 minus what? x1. Remember, Gauss-Seidel takes the current value, so we take negative 1 over 4. So 2 minus negative 1 over 4 is the same as 2 plus 1 over 4. And what are you getting? 9 on 4, right? 9 on 4. So now, this is the first iteration. We quickly move to the second iteration. For second iteration, I'll have my x1 to be equal to 1 minus the expression 2 multiplying the current value of 1 now is what? It's negative 1 over 4, right? So negative 1 over 4 all over 4, right? Sorry, we needed the current value of x2, not x1. So this is 1 minus 2x2, okay? So the current value of x2 is what? 9 on 4. So I write my 9 on 4. 9 on 4. And this should give me, this is 1 minus 9 on 2 over 4, right? 1 minus 9 on 2 over 4. Now what am I getting? 1 minus 4.5 all over 4. Negative 7 on 8, okay. I'm getting x1 to be negative 7 on 8. Then we move to our new s2 for our second iteration, which is the same as 2 minus x1. So 2 minus the current value of x1, you've got negative 7 over 8, right? So there is 2 plus 7 out of 8. And what are you getting? 2 plus 7 out of 8. And that is 23 on 8. Okay. So therefore, the solutions we have for our first iteration and second iteration, our x1 is equal to, for first, we have x1 to be negative 1 over 4. Then for second, we have x1 to be negative 7 on 8, right? Then for x2, we have for our first iteration, we have 9 on 4, right? Then we have for second 23 on what? 8. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.